This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pickle lemonade. First, gather your ingredients. About 6 to 8 fresh lemons, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 4 cups of water, and 1/2 cup of dill pickle juice. You'll also need a pitcher and a juicer. This refreshing drink combines sweet and sour with a unique briny kick, perfect for a warm day. Let's get started with the simple syrup. Now, let's create our lemonade base. Start by juicing your fresh lemons. You'll want approximately 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. Next, combine this freshly squeezed lemon juice with the simple syrup you prepared earlier. Stir these 2 ingredients together until they are well blended. Finally, add 3 cups of cold water to this mixture, ensuring a balanced and refreshing lemonade foundation. This is where the magic happens. Carefully measure out 1/2 cup of your favorite dill pickle juice. The quality of your pickle juice significantly impacts the final taste, so choose wisely. Gently pour this briny liquid into your prepared lemonade base. Stir the entire mixture thoroughly for about 30 seconds, ensuring the unique pickle flavor is perfectly infused throughout every sip. This creates a surprisingly delicious twist. Your pickle lemonade is almost ready to enjoy. For the best taste, chill the entire pitcher in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. When serving, pour it over plenty of ice. You can garnish each glass with a fresh lemon slice or even a small pickle spear for an extra touch. This unique drink is a fantastic conversation starter and a truly refreshing treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.